This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab sticks. These popular seafood items are primarily crafted from surimi, a refined fish paste. We will explore the journey from raw fish to the familiar red and white sticks. The process involves several key stages, starting with careful ingredient selection and preparation, moving through precise shaping and cooking, and concluding with cooling and packaging. The foundation of crab sticks is surimi, a paste made from deboned and washed white fish. First, frozen surimi blocks are carefully thawed and then ground into a smooth, elastic paste. This paste is then mixed with various ingredients. Starches, typically 15 to 25%, are added for binding and texture, while egg white powder, about 3 to 5%, contributes to firmness and elasticity. Salt and flavorings are also incorporated to enhance the taste. Once the surimi paste is ready, it's transformed into thin, continuous sheets. These sheets are then precisely slit into fine ribbons, typically 1 to 3 millimeters wide, to create the fibrous texture of crab meat. Edible red coloring is applied to one side, and the ribbons are bundled and rolled into the familiar stick shape. Finally, these formed sticks are cooked, often by steaming, at temperatures around 96 to 98 degrees Celsius, which sets their protein structure. Following the cooking process, the crab sticks are quickly cooled to stabilize their texture and ensure quality. Next, high-precision cutting machines slice the continuous logs into individual sticks, usually 7 to 10 centimeters in length. These finished crab sticks are then vacuum-sealed in transparent plastic film, which preserves moisture and protects against oxidation. Finally, they are prepared for distribution, often stored in cold storage or frozen, to maintain their freshness and chewy texture, until they reach consumers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.